everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorway Lifestyle. Today I have a kitchen linen haul for you from two stores, Hometown and Home Center. So Hometown has their home brand called Living Essence, and they've got a lot of vases, pots, planters, a lot of things in their home brand. So my kitchen is grey and cream colored. So most of the things that I've bought for my kitchen are in the same color scheme. So I was fortunate enough to find kitchen linen items in the same color scheme from Hometown and Home Center. So without further ado, let's get started with the haul. The first thing that I have are these napkins. So first let's start with the Hometown products. So these napkins are from the Living Essence collection. So it's a napkin. So the napkins comes in a set of two. So this is how it looks. I also bought another variation of these napkins. This is how it looks. It's a bit longer than this one. These are like small napkins, and this one is a bigger one, a bigger size. This is how it looks. It has got such pretty print on it. Looks so damn pretty. So they've got vertical lines, then polka dot, then some writings, then again some polka dots and some lines. Even this is a set of two. So the third thing is this hot pot holder. So whenever you're cooking your pans and stuff, you can put it in this, put it on this, and it is a multi-purpose hot pot holder, because you can also hang this and put something inside, maybe your keys, maybe your kitchen utensils, anything you want. And this also comes in a set of two. The next thing I have for you are these oven mittens. Even these come in a set of two. This is how they look. So all these are like a set because they have the same print on them. You can hang this whenever you're not using it. The next thing I have for you is this chapati holder. This is how it looks. It has got a padding inside to probably keep your chapatis warm. And inside they have this bamboo basket, so when you need to clean it, you can just remove this and clean the cloth. The next thing I have for you is this apron. So whenever you're cooking, you're really worried that oil might splutter on you, or something hot, gravy or anything. So you must wear a apron when you're cooking, and it has got a pocket in the front. The next thing that I have for you is this table cover. It is in the same pattern as the other things. And the last thing from their collection is this runner. So I personally bought this to put it on my countertop, my kitchen countertop. This is how it looks. It's pretty long. It will fit perfectly on your kitchen countertop. Now let's come to the products that I bought from Home Center. So this is a napkin. It comes in a set of two, and if you remember, or if you've seen my previous video on Home Center haul, most of the things that I bought from there has had this printed on it, and even the napkins do. So they go perfectly with everything. next thing is this rug, kitchen rug. So it's a pretty decent size rug for your kitchen floor. This is how it looks. And the last thing that I have for you is from Amazon. So I tried to find a drying mat which matched my color scheme, but I couldn't, so I had to get these. So they're a dish drying mat. So after you're done cleaning your utensils, you can just prop it on them and it will soak all the water from them. It was a set of 3. So that's it for the kitchen linen haul, everyone. I hope you liked the video, and please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.